Choosing the best toys for your puppy. You can't have a puppy without puppy toys any more than you would have a small child without toys. Puppies are essentially baby dogs, so you need to use the same good judgment when you buy the best toys for your puppy as when you buy toys for your baby. 1. Chewing. Do buy toys that your puppy will enjoy, though. They need the toys to chew on and to give them something stimulating to do. Without toys, they might decide that your shoe and the table leg are fun toys to chew on instead. Be sure the toys don't have any sharp edges. Puppies are still learning how to be coordinated and are still learning a sense of balance. Anything that could potentially harm them while they're in this stage should be removed. 2. Size of the toy. You want to make sure that the toys aren't too small. Just like a small baby will stick everything in its mouth without understanding the concept of choking, a puppy will chew on everything too. Something too small, or something that could potentially be broken or chewed into small pieces, could be swallowed or lodged in your puppy's throat. Please do take care. 3. Toy types. As you shop, consider these 4 toy varieties with respect to the need for your individual pet baby, and you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect plaything. Balls. There are rubber balls, plush balls, tennis balls, foam balls, squeaker balls, and more. Each bounce in different ways. Some float and glow in the dark, tempting options if you have a pool or nighttime routine. This classic option is a great way to keep your dog active. 2. Tug toys. Most dogs enjoy playing tug of war with their owners and other dogs. The most important thing to remember with tug toys is to make sure your dog doesn't tear this into pieces. Tug toys are typically plush and made of linen, leather, fire hose, or rope, so it's necessary to replace them as soon as you see damage like shredding or notice missing pieces. You never want to be able to rip the toy out of your dog's mouth, as this could pose great health problems for him. If you want him to let go of the toy, you need to train him to respond to commands such as drop it or release. Treats and chewables. Whereas anything can be a chew toy, there are some toys made specifically to be chewed on, and it's best to use them for that purpose. Generally made from nylon or hard rubber material, these items are built to last. Some can even be stuffed with treats for training and long-lasting entertainment, while others are enjoyable as is. They should be soft enough to chew them, with no teeth at risk of breaking, but durable enough so they don't easily break down into small pieces. Plush. Plush toys are a favorite of many dogs, but unfortunately, they're unsafe more often than not. As easy as they are to be ripped apart and ingested, though, plush toys can still be fun when fully supervised. Before your pup hits his teething phase, plush toys are great options to give him to snuggle up with at night. 2. Make sure your pup knows which plush toys are his, and not a family member's stuffed animal or pillow. Choosing the best dog toys will ensure you both safe, fun playtime. We have added the choices of puppy toys to buy online. Check out the description box below. 4. Making toys last. Rotate your dog's toys weekly by making only a few toys available at a time. Keep a variety of types easily accessible. If your dog has a favorite, like a soft comfort toy, you may want to leave it out all the time. Provide toys that serve a variety of purposes. Give your dog at least 1 toy to carry, 1 to shake, 1 to roll and 1 for comfort. Found toys are often much more attractive than toys that are obviously introduced. A game of finding toys or treats is a good rainy day activity for your dog, using up energy without the need for a lot of space. Ready to buy some lovely toys for your puppy delivered to your home? Check out the recommendations below this video. We hope you like this presentation. Share this video with other pet parents. Like and subscribe to this channel